Take one. Okay. We have this ugly ass. I'm feeling myself. Man, I don't know how to cook. So she gonna teach me how to cook. We gonna start. What we made? Come on.
Alright, so she's gonna teach me how to cook. I do not fucking know how to cook at all. Like, fuck that. I go out to eat every day. I fucking spend money and I get the best of the best.
You know, boss type shit. So we had to make a store run because this bitch told me something. She gonna teach me how to cook. We ain't even got the goddamn teriyaki sauce.
I put the teriyaki sauce.
We've been to like 2 stores, I think, for this specific teriyaki sauce that she needs.
Got those good old knives.
So how you want them? Slice the dice?
Yeah, but just
Thin?
yes, then be careful.
It'll be easy. So what I need to do? This is practice. This is my first time actually prepping a meal. Getting it together.
Alright.
Red pepper?
Yes.
Same way?
Yep. That was a little harder because of the skin.
This knife.
No, it's the skin. It's not the knife.
Cut myself. Fuck.
I said that the shark wasn't the knife. The what? The what? Cutting up the peppers. Just getting there. Alright. So the hardest part now is this big ass pineapple. Yeah. Then you're gonna keep cutting that stalk down. All the way down until that part.
How'd I do it?
She did it.
Alright, so you said just carve it out?
Yeah,
Alright, go ahead.
Carve it out. Don't get too close to the edge. You're not gonna have a bowl. Oh hell no! Eating the pineapple jokes, I can't.
So you gonna drag me? So she said she gonna drag me. She said she can go home. This bitch is strong. She said she gonna drag me. She said she gonna drag me.
This is her finishing product of the pineapple bowl. Now she got her peppers and onions in the pan. She has to add her seasoning. She's just getting it cooked down. She got her rice in there boiling, jasmine rice, of course. Okay, babe, so now you're going to add some of the seasoning.
Okay.
You can use the dash first.
Turn my rice down a little bit.
To get the onions, you can stop it. Really saute because you're going to put your shrimp in there and the shrimp still need flavor. See, that's the thing. So it might look like a lot, but it's heavy though. Yeah. And all that sauce before that she made is going right onto the shrimp. And she's going to have to season it a little bit more. Got her shrimp seasoning. Adding a little bit more finishing touches to it as it cooks. And mix its own sauce before you even add your sauce. So that.
Damn. Alright. Yeah.
Now she has her shrimp on sizzle with the teriyaki sauce. Now she's just packing the pineapple bowl with the rice. Yeah.
Make sure you pack it with enough rice. This one.
Okay, babe.
Just the final touches.
Oh my god. Shrimp teriyaki?
Yeah, with pineapples. We cooked the pineapples. Sauteed it in there. Sauteed the veggies.